welcome back to Give It a Shot channel. My name is Kyle, for you that don't know me. I'm just an ordinary guy. I don't have any culinary skills whatsoever. And I'm here to tackle recipes that are given to you from your family, off the internet, YouTube maybe, different medias. And at the end of the video, I'm gonna rate it from 1 to 10. 10 being I would definitely give it a shot again. 1 being not gonna happen. No way, no how. So that's basically what's going to take place. I thought about my next video, and the idea came to me from this wonderful Smuckers peanut butter jelly. This box we got at BJ's was probably around $10 to $12. And I thought to myself, I should be able to make this at home. I should be able to give it a shot. So today, we're gonna try to see if we can recreate this wonderful snack for the children. So, come on, let's see if we can do it. Obviously, these would be the ingredients that you're going to need for a peanut butter jelly Smuckers type style sandwich. Okay, so we're gonna use the bread, the jelly, and the peanut butter. So let's see what we can do here. So obviously the peanut butter jelly Smuckers snack that we get doesn't have any crust. So I will take the crust off the bread and then we'll go from there. So like in my last video, I did stuffed French toast, and that as well I had to take off the crust. As I stated there, it is a little bit time consuming to do this. In that video you might possibly can get away without having to, but in this video I think it's kind of necessary. So let's continue. Okay, so let's give this a shot. Take the bread, obviously add the peanut butter. Put a little bit more peanut butter than that. Then we add the jelly. You don't really want it all the way on the edge, you want it more in the middle. And then we will put our topper piece on. You want to get something that sort of fits your bottom piece better. And we will push it down. And for those who have ever made any type of like pierogi, empanadas, you know how the sides have to get pressed down together to actually make it so it sticks together. Okay. And then we just push the pieces together so that way they actually stay. Now if you want, you can sit and actually cut the pieces to make it look a little bit nicer. More of a Smuckers. For an example, something such as this. You know, it's a little bit more round and more of a Smuckers look. Alright, so wasn't really that difficult to do. In the long run, pretty sure you're gonna save some money. Obviously, just buying the Smuckers would be easier and more convenient maybe. But if you have time, I would say you could give this a shot. Tastes just as good, if not even fresher. So, on a scale from 1 to 10, I would rate this an 8. It does take effort to make it. Not that much effort, but it does take some effort. And like I said, it is more convenient just to buy the package it from the store, from the Smuckers brand. But you can create your own for your children. So I would definitely give it a shot once again. So thank you again for tuning in. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and the like at the bottom. And hopefully I'll see you next time on Give It a Shot.